Welcome to CAD Resource. Mirror commands inside of SolidWorks. In this movie, we're going to be covering the Sketch Mirror Tool. Now, we also have a Feature Mirror Tool, as well as a Body Mirror Tool, and you can mirror things in any one of these methods. If you're trying to create an extruded body, for instance, I could mirror over this triangle here and extrude it out, and then I'd have two individual bodies, but I could also do that as a solid. So, I generally recommend trying to keep your sketches very simple and then doing any of those mirror commands actually as mirror features when you actually have a solid, but you can do it either way. So, right now, let's focus on mirroring it inside of a sketch. So, the first thing I need to do is turn on the tool. So, here's mirror entities right here at the top. The first question is, what are my entities to mirror? I'm going to go ahead and window around this little triangle here, and you have the option of copying it or just mirroring it over and replacing the other value. And then, I can choose what I want to mirror out. So, I'm going to choose this line right here and then click on OK, and just that easily, I've created a mirrored copy of my original part. Now, this is not just a static sketch sitting there. This is actually a dynamic mirror. So, if I grab this part here and I move it around, notice the two parts automatically match each other as they're continuously being mirrored from one side to the other. If I modify this one, if I delete something, it won't delete the other side, but it's a mirror. So, just keep that in mind. Now, I can also mirror multiple items. So, entities to mirror, I'm going to go ahead and window around everything there. Mirror that about, and something like this line right here, and it's going to bring everything down to the bottom. Now, if you modify or move one of these things, they are all automatically going to move, which is pretty cool. If I move the line itself, notice that it's also changing the way the mirror works. So, a couple of powerful things you can do there with the mirror command. Now, we've mirrored a couple of things over here, and we can continue going with this tool. So, here's the mirror command one more time. I can select everything here, one shot. Instead of copying it, I can actually just grab mirror about, click over here, and I can then mirror it over here, and what that will do is it will get rid of the original ones, and it's going to just mirror it over that line to the other side. So, bunch of different ways this tool can be used. Again, though, I would recommend trying to not do too many mirror commands inside of your sketch because it does make it overly complicated. It's better to create one simple item first, and then, when you're actually in a 3D model, then use the mirror command to create multiples or even pattern it. So, couple of different ways you can do it, but this is the mirror command for the sketch mode inside of SolidWorks.